OCC stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Optical cable stock, bro, this is some crazy numbers that I've seen at some point of the day, but it definitely seems like a random pump and dump. I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've definitely seen, it's not me exaggerating if I say I've seen this thousands of times, because I definitely have. Like, it's 46% up and whatnot, but like if I come here to the 3-month chart, I don't see nothing more miserable than just this consolidation that's been going on since SEC 2022. Absolute hell. Don't like this at all. So what I'm going to do is just more so not trade this, because look at this price section. I don't know why am I even making videos on this, but that's my bias in this market. It's not that I have anything personal against OCCT. It's just me following my edge, you know, and I'm not going to take a trade on this purely because it's not following my edge because of the volume and the environment. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.